Hey love bugs, welcome back for another day of math. Today we're going to be doing bead combinations, which is really cool. What we're doing is pretending that we're making like a pattern on a necklace or a bracelet that we're going to use beads to make, but we're making a certain amount of beads. Okay, so what I'm going to show you, I'm going to be using my colored pencils to do this. So at home, if you have colored pencils or crayons, that's the best way to do it. I, as you can see, don't have my math book in front of me. I printed this out. That's why it's black and white. But I'm going to be showing you examples so that when you turn to your math book to do this, you know what we're doing today, okay? Because I don't want you copying mine. So what basically happens with bead combinations is we're finding more than one way to make a number using a number sentence. For example, they had my 6 bead. So to make 6, they put 3 on one side of their necklace. So I'm using a red colored pencil for that. And they did 3 on the other side. So I'm using my purple to show you that. And then what they did was looking at what they were doing. They had 3 red beads, putting it together. So that's a plus when we put things together with 3 purple beads. Got them a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads total on that necklace or bracelet. Down here, you can see that they had 2 purple beads. They put that together or added it with 1, 2, 3, 4 red beads. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you add them all together, put all those beads together, they got 6. So for my example, remember this, you're not going to copy my example, but I'm going to show you an example of a number. I'm going to do the number, let's see, I'm going to do the number 8. So I'm going to do my 8 bead. Okay, so to start, I'm going to put 2 reds on this side, 2 red beads, and I'm going to write my 2 here. I know that I want it to equal 8, so I can write that down. And now I have to figure out how many more purple beads I need to do. So I'm going to count up to 8. Ready? I have 2 reds, so I'm going to say that out loud. 2. Then I make 3. I'm going to keep going till I say 8. 4. Count with me. 5, another 6, keep going, 7, 8. Once I say the number 8, I stop. Now I'm going to count how many purple beads that took me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had 2 red beads, I had 6 purple beads, and when I put that all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I have 8 beads. Over here, I'm going to show 8 again, but in a different way. Here I used 2 reds. This time I'm going to try 1 red. So I color 1 red bead and I write the number 1. Now I'm going to count up from there until I say the number 8. And I'm going to draw beads as I do it. So we already have 1. Now I'm going to say 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6. 7, 8. Now let's see, love bugs. I had 1 red bead. Let's count how many purple beads I had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many was that? 7. All together, how many beads is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads all together. Now, love bugs, you shouldn't be copying me because in your math journal, I'm going to give you a different number to work with today. Let's do another one together that equals 8. This time I'm going to do 3 reds to start. See what I did? I did 1, I did 2. Now I'm going to try 3 reds. And then we're going to count up with my purples. Ready? I have 3. I'm going to count up until I say 8. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, and then I stop. How many purple did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I write my 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks for counting with me, love bugs. And I made 8 by doing 3 plus 5. So these are all different number sentences that will equal 8. Let's do one more. I started with 1 red, 2 reds, 3 reds. What would make sense to do next? Yeah, let's do 4 red beads to start. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write that down. 4 reds. And now we're going to count up and draw our purple beads. 4, ready? 5, 6, I keep going till I say 8, 7, 8, I can stop. How many purple beads did I have? Oh, they wanted me to do it differently here, love bugs. Look at that. I'm going to fix this. Are you ready? I made a mistake. Look, they have 3 spots. I'm so glad you caught that because I was going so fast that I made a mistake. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the color of this one purple. I'm going to need a 3rd color, so I'm going to make that one green so I can fix my mistake. There we go. Okay, so I had 4 red. Then I had 1, 2, 3 purples. And how many green did I have, love bugs? 1. So in this one, we have to use 3 different color beads, okay? Let's see if it equaled 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. We did it, love bugs. We did it. Now at home, when you're going to do this page in your workbook in a moment, you don't have to use red and purple. You can pick 2 colors that you like. And then on the last box, you need 3 colors to do it. And here's the number that you're going to do. You're going to go into your math journal. You're going to open to page 15. Okay, see page 15? Now this is what I did last year. I used the number 5 when I was doing this last year. So you could just ignore that. But your page looks like this. You're not going to do the number 5. What I want my love bugs to do, where it says my blank bead, I want you to do the number 9. Can you write 9 for your bead in your journal? Great. And then underneath, where you see this part, I want you to show me 4 different ways to make 9. Okay? And love bug families, when your child gets that done, I want you to send me just this page so I can see the 4 different ways they made 9. You will need crayons or colored pencils, love bugs, because it helps you. Last year I did it with pencil and it got a little confusing. So use your colored pencils or your crayons for this one and send me the picture when you're done.